If you're someone that grows a mustache like me, you need this in your life. What if I just walked around like this? Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sasha. I'm a professional makeup artist and content creator based in New York City. Today's video is a continuation of my last two videos here on YouTube. So I did a best of skincare 2020, best of makeup 2020, and today we're going to talk about the best beauty tools and gadgets of 2020. I have 10 products to share with you guys today. Some of them are skincare devices that are going to improve your skin in some sort of way, and some of these are really affordable products that I think everybody should own that are going to make your beauty routine a lot easier. So we're just going to jump right into it today. I have 10 products to share with you guys, so if you're interested in the best beauty tools and gadgets of 2020, then keep on watching. We're going to start with skincare devices. I have 4 here, and the first one I want to share with you guys is the Vanity Planet Facial Steamer. I've put so many of my friends, my family, my followers onto this, and everybody loves it. It's absolutely a favorite. There's so many benefits to using a facial steamer. It helps to open up your pores. It helps your products to absorb better on your skin, so it's more effective. This is also really good for acne. This is going to help to release any bacteria in your skin, any sebum that's trapped in your pores, and just any dead skin cells. On top of all those amazing benefits that I just mentioned, it's also very therapeutic, really soothing on the skin. I love using this on a day where I really want to treat my skin, especially if I had a really stressful week and it shows in my skin, and I maybe wore a lot of makeup that week and I just really want to reset my skin. This is the perfect product. It just gives you this spa experience. You feel like you're at the spa, and it's just like a luxury experience that you can have at home. So I highly recommend this, and it's actually very affordable and accessible. You can buy facial steamers everywhere, but the one that I have here is from Vanity Planet. This one is regularly around $100, but I do have a 50% off code with the brand, so if you guys are interested, I'll link that in the description box below. But this comes out to around $50, which I think is really worth it. It's something that I use 2 to 3 times a week. And you want to do a 10 to 15 minute session, no more than that. I actually have a whole video on how to steam your face if you guys are interested. I show you how to use it, so I'll include that in the description box below. Highly recommend this product if you guys are looking to up your skincare game and receive all the benefits that I just mentioned. It's amazing, and it's a product that I will not stop using in 2021. Alright, the next little skincare device that I have here is so tiny that it fits just right in my palm, and it's the Gua Sha Tool. If you guys have never heard of a Gua Sha Tool, it's a tool that's designed to massage your face. It helps to relieve any muscle tension that you have on your face. We actually hold so much tension throughout the day, and you actually won't realize it until you scrape this thing on your face, and you'll feel the areas where it feels tight. It's just like massaging any part of your body. You know when someone's giving you a massage and they go over an area that's really tight and you're like, ouch, you feel it? This is the same effect that you'll get. I always notice, especially when I go into my temples, that it feels really tight, and this will really just relieve those muscles, massage them, and just loosen them up. This is also going to help promote lymphatic drainage. Our body holds all this fluid that contains toxins and waste. So by massaging our skin, we're eliminating that. So as a result, you're going to have naturally contoured, tight, firm skin. If you guys are interested in how to use this, I have a whole video which I will link in my description box, but I basically show you how to use it, all the little techniques that I use. This is great if you are someone that wakes up in the morning with a puffy face, maybe you had a little too much drink the night before. This is going to promote lymphatic drainage and just drain out all that fluid, and you really will see a difference. And the more you use this, the more you're going to prevent any signs of aging. Alright, moving on to another skincare device. This one did not come to play. This is the Nuface MICROCURRENT Facial Toning Device. I'm sure you guys have seen this around. The first time my husband saw this, he was like, what is that? Because it just looks very sus. But what this is a microcurrent facial toning device. This is going to visibly lift and contour your face. It's going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. It's like getting a facelift, but at home. If you're around my age, I'm not going to say how old I am, but a lot of us are thinking about getting Botox and fillers. I was going to say fillers. And some of us are just scared of needles, like me. I I just don't even want to think about it. I do have to say though, everybody has different results. Like some people see immediate results after just using it once. But for me, I actually saw results after just using it once, and I noticed a difference, especially in my cheeks. It definitely makes them look a little bit more lifted, and just overall, my skin looks tighter and firmer. I think this is a great investment if you're someone like me who's in their 30s and you're starting to think about Botox and fillers, and you want to start preventing and treating any signs of aging. I think it's absolutely worth it. Also, when you get this thing, it comes with a little charging dock, which is really nice. I like to keep this on my vanity just so that I make sure to use it every single time I do my whole skincare routine. It's like giving me a reminder that I have to use it. So I love this. My next device is also by Nuface, but don't worry, it's a lot more affordable. It's the Nuface Fix. So this is another microcurrent facial device, but this one is specifically for fine lines and wrinkles. So whereas the Nuface is more for contouring, tightening, firming, this is for smoothing out those lines, those fine lines, wrinkles that you're starting to see. So there are actually a lot of ways that you can use this. You can use this around the eyes, especially if you have like crow's feet or any lines down there. You can use this around the mouth, especially like laugh lines, you know, that start to kind of get deeper and deeper as you age. You can also use this on your forehead. So if you're starting to get forehead lines and they're prominent, you can use this to smoothen it out. Another way that you can actually use this is to plump up your lips. So you just massage it up like this or down like this, and it's going to plump up your lips. This is a great alternative if you don't want to get injectables there. I don't really use it for my lips. I mainly like to use this on my smile lines because I'm starting to see lines there. Also right here, we call these the 11s because it looks like the number 11. But this is like where you see one of your first signs of aging, and I love using this on my 11s to just smoothen it out. Like I said, there's a number of ways to use this. You can use it around your eyes, on your smile lines, on your lips, on your forehead, and I think this is a really great alternative if you maybe don't want to invest in the Nuface Trinity, but you are starting to see fine lines and wrinkles. So with this device, you use it 3 minutes a day, and after that it just shuts off and that's it. But I definitely recommend these devices if you're looking to invest in skincare, specifically if you have like any anti-aging concerns. Again, this one is a little bit more for lifting and contouring, and this one is for fine lines and wrinkles, but highly recommend them. I definitely think they are so effective. The next product that I have here is a cleansing brush, and it's amazing. It's the Foreo Luna Mini, which is my holy grail cleansing brush. I've had this thing for years, like probably more than 5 years now. Hands down the best device out of all the cleansing devices that I have. And I only have the Clarisonic in this, by the way, but it's way better than the Clarisonic and way more hygienic because it's made out of silicone. So the silicone is really easy to wash. The bristles are also really gentle on your skin, so it's never going to be too harsh or too aggressive. And when I use this, it really just gets everything out. All of my makeup, all the dirt, grime on my face. It doesn't leave a trace of anything. And the best thing about it is that it makes your skin feel super smooth. So after I use this, my skin just feels like a baby's bottom. It just feels so nice. This one is the mini version, so they have a larger version, but it's way too expensive. But the mini is surprisingly really strong for your face. You don't need the bigger one in my opinion. And I love traveling with this thing. I take it with me all the time. It's just the perfect size. It fits in any bag. Also, the best thing about this is that the battery lasts forever. You only have to charge this once every 5 months, which is insane, but it's just amazing. I highly recommend it if you guys are not yet using a cleansing brush. The next product is a product that I didn't know I needed, and now I can't live without it. It's a brush cleaning mat. So if you wash your brushes, and you should, at least once a week, please tell me that you do, this is going to change your life. It's going to make cleaning your brushes so easy and so fun. So what this is a silicone mat, and I don't know if you guys can see, but there's different textures on it, and that's for different sizes, different brushes that you have. So the way that you would use this is you would just lay this down on your sink, run the water, and you actually want to run your brushes under water first. Take a little dish soap, that's my favorite cleaning agent for my brushes. Put it on your brush, and then you're going to swirl your brush around on this mat, and you're just going to see all of the makeup everything come off, and it's like the most satisfying thing. It really is like top 5 favorite feelings is seeing all that makeup come off the brush. Also, if you guys want to try this out, I do have a discount code. I forgot I have discount codes for a lot of things. Check the description box because I will leave my code for any product that I forget to talk about, but it's absolutely amazing. You need it in your life, and it's just going to make cleaning your brushes so fun, I promise. The next tool that I have here is something that I use every single day without fail. It's part of my beauty routine and I can't live without it. It's the Rikilovesriki LED mirror. What this is an LED mirror, and it lights up, obviously. There's different levels to it, so you can make it like really bright, just turned off because the battery is done. But this makes such a difference when you're doing your makeup. You can see everything so well. This is going to be great if you don't have good lighting in your home. And it's also nice because it's portable. So it comes on this little stand, and you can pretty much set this anywhere. You can set it on your vanity, you can set it on a table, your dining table, you can take it to your bedroom, set it on the bed, just anywhere where you want to get ready. I also have the Rikilovesriki tall mirror. It's a huge mirror that goes on your vanity. And let me tell you guys, this mini one is still my favorite. I like this one because you can put it as close to your face as possible, whereas the big mirror is really far away and you can't really see like all the little details of whatever you're doing. But with this, you can bring it to your face as close as possible. If you don't have the best eyesight, don't worry, you will see everything. And this also comes with a magnifying mirror that just sticks right on there. And a little bonus, if you are a content creator, this also comes with an iPhone holder that you would take this off and you would attach the holder here and then put your iPhone there. It's pretty life-changing. I have no idea where it is right now. I also have a 15% off code for you guys, which is amazing. So if you're thinking about getting this, definitely use my code. But I definitely recommend this. I think it's such a great investment. It is on the pricier side, but they do go on sale once in a while. And again, I do have a 15% off code for you guys. Okay, the next tool that I have here is the best curling iron I've ever used. It is the T3 micro curling iron, and the size that I have here is 1.25. Before I used this curling iron, my curls never came out good, and I didn't know if it was me or my technique. But the first time I tried this, my curls came out perfect, and I realized that it really does make a difference in the curling iron that you use. I would say that the way they design this, it's really easy to use and it's hard to mess up. Even if you're not good at curling your hair, if you just take some hair and just wrap it around the iron, I promise you the curls come out beautiful no matter what you do. I've tried it in so many different ways. It's very user friendly and it just does the work for you. This is what I use to get those everyday beach waves. I obviously don't have my hair curled right now, but when I do, I just feel my most baddest self. It is a little bit more of a technique for beach waves because it's more of a bend, more of a wave instead of a curl. And I do have a whole video on that if you guys are interested in learning how to get the best beach waves. So this one is actually interchangeable and it comes with 3 different sizes. There's a smaller barrel, and then there's this one, and then there's a larger one. But the one that I recommend is 1.25, and you can buy this separately. I do have a discount code for you guys, but I really don't use the other two. 1.25 is the perfect size, but I highly recommend this if you guys are looking for the perfect curling iron. It is a little bit of an investment, but I think it's absolutely worth it. I don't need any other curling iron. This is one that I know is going to last me years. The quality is amazing, and it's just very user-friendly. Okay, the next tool that I have is so affordable, and it's just a facial razor. This is so essential in my beauty routine, my little maintenance routine. If you're someone that grows a mustache like me, you need this in your life. Or if you're someone that has peach fuzz all over your face, you're gonna love this. So the act of shaving your face for women is actually called dermaplaning, which is so funny because to me it's just shaving your face, literally. I've been shaving my face since I was like a teenager because I'm so hairy, so I've been using this forever. So if you guys have never heard of dermaplaning, it's a service that you can get now with your esthetician or if you get facials. But really you can buy these yourself and do it on yourself. I have a whole video on how to dermaplane your face, get rid of peach fuzz, your mustache, all of that. There is a specific way to use this and you want to be careful. but I basically use this anywhere where I grow hair on my face. I also like to use this around my eyebrows. You know those little hairs that just go on top and on the side of your eyebrows? This is perfect for that. This is going to be great for like very fine hair, so I wouldn't recommend using this on like your armpit or anywhere where the hair is really coarse. But after you use this and you get all the hair off that you want, your skin is going to be so smooth, and there's so many benefits to this. It's going to make your makeup go on so much smoother and easier, and your makeup is going to look a lot better. And it's going to make your skincare products go on better, and it's going to absorb better in your skin because there's not that hair that's blocking it. It's just going to penetrate deeper. And if you've never used this before, you might be wondering, does the hair go back thicker? Do you grow little stubbles? You don't. It actually just grows back the same way. These come in a pack and they're very affordable. You can find this at the drugstore. You can get them on Amazon. All right, the next two products I'm going to talk about at the same time because they're from the same brand, and it is the TWEEZERMAN eyelash curler and TWEEZERMAN tweezers. TWEEZERMAN is like my go-to brand for everything. It has been for years. So starting with the eyelash curler, I've tried so many eyelash curlers. Shuamura, Shiseido. I've tried a lot of different brands, and this one is the best. And the one that I have specifically is the ceramic curler. It's different from the metal lash curlers that feel really heavy on your eye and also can like pinch your eye. This feels so light on your eyes. It doesn't feel like anything is really like weighing down on you, and you don't have to press very hard on it. It just curls your lashes so easily, so nicely. So if you guys are still looking for a good lash curler brand, definitely go with TWEEZERMAN. They're so affordable, so accessible. You can get them at the drugstore. And for tweezers, my go-to brand has always been TWEEZERMAN. I actually have two TWEEZERMAN tweezers. The other one I can't find for the life of me right now. It's an angled tweezer, whereas this one is a pointy, precise tweezer. Both are really amazing and both work just as effective. It really just depends on what your preference is. But my TWEEZERMAN tweezers are so precise, so accurate. I never pinch my skin, and I've had them for years. I think my other one I've had for almost 10 years, and it's still as sharp, just as good as the first day that I got them. This one is a little bit newer, but I've had them for so long and they're still so sharp, so accurate. I've tried really cheap tweezers in the past and they just don't work at all. You have to go with something sharp, and TWEEZERMAN just delivers. Okay, we're down to the last product, and you guys are gonna love me because this is the cheapest thing that I have here today, and they're just little tiny hair clips. So these are cute little hair clips that you can use basically anytime you're getting ready. So if you are doing your makeup, if you're doing your skincare, if you're washing your face, anytime you just need hair out of the way, it just keeps them back and it doesn't crease your hair. So if you're in the middle of styling your hair, you don't have to worry. These little guys usually come in a pack of 8 or 10. They're really cheap. You can get them on Amazon. But I really like using these instead of like tying my whole hair up. Sometimes it just kind of messes things up. Makeup artists, hairstylists use these all the time. I don't know, it just makes getting ready just more fun and cute. So, love it. I'm obsessed. Alright guys, that's it. That's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my best beauty tools and gadgets of 2020. I want to know in the comment section below what your favorite beauty tool is, because I haven't tried them all. There's definitely a lot of skincare devices I haven't tried yet. That is a huge goal of mine this year, and something that you will see a lot more on my channel. I literally have a shipment coming with a bunch of skincare tools that I haven't tried yet, so really excited for that. This wraps up my Best of Beauty series. Again, if you guys missed it, I have a Best of Skincare 2020, Best of Makeup of 2020, and of course I talked about beauty tools today. So I hope you guys have been enjoying all my product recommendations. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet part of my YouTube fam, make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss my next video, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye! Mwah.